few months ago, a man I met at the gym told me something that caught my attention. He said, Beams, I've been with an organization for over 5 years. I came to work every day, I do my job, I stay out of trouble. But somehow, the promotion keeps going to other people. Let's call this gentleman James. James. So, I need you to ask yourself, is this a question of hard work or value? What is it to you? Let's think academically tonight. Is James being ignored because he doesn't work hard? Or is there something somewhere more important happening in James' life or the organization? This is a theory. One of the biggest mistakes employees make is assuming that activity automatically creates value. It doesn't. It's called busy versus valuable. Is busy equals being valuable? That's one thing you must ask yourself in terms of visibility, in terms of impact, and of course in terms of problem solving as an irreplaceable employee. Organization always reward value, not effort alone, not attendance alone, and of course not loyalty alone. Let's examine the difference between this academic frame. Task worker versus a problem solver. Tax worker versus a problem solver. Who is a tax worker? A tax worker means tell me what to do. A problem solver will always tell you, hey, here's a challenge, here's my recommendation, and they get it done. Most organizations can replace a tax worker any day, but listen, problem solver are harder to replace anytime. This is the hard truth, and I need you to catch this as we go. Remember, your employer is not paying you for how tired you are every day. They are paying you for the value that you create in an organization. Effort is always appreciated, and of course, results are rewarded at all times. This is how many careers get stuck. One, they showed up at work, do their tasks, go home and repeat the same thing every day. These are task completers. They are not and will never become a value creator as we speak. Tonight, I'm going to teach you, of course, bring forward to you the 5 steps to become an irreplaceable employee. 5 steps to become an irreplaceable employee. My framework tonight is simple. Journey with me, guys. Number 1, you must look for problem nobody wants to solve. Always look for problem nobody wants to solve. I call that solve a problem. Step 1 is solve a problem. Look for a problem that you need to solve. If you must be irreplaceable, and of course, good work hidden is invisible work. That's what I call it. You must increase visibility. Increase visibility at all time. Number 3, you must find a process and make it better. Improve the system. Improve an existing system in your organization. And number 5, I need to stop asking, where is my job? Where are my jobs? Start asking, what's the outcome? You know what that means? You must think like the owner. Think like owner. Always think like an owner. Number 5, I need you to track your results, track your wins, track your impact, track your contributions. Document every result or outcomes. Make sure that you're able to document result, So these are my 5 steps if you must be an irreplaceable employee. Number 1, solve a problem. Number 2, increase your visibility. 3, improve systems. And of course, think like an owner. Number 5 is document results. So these are the 5 steps you must take at all times if you become an irreplaceable employee. The take home tonight is replaceable employees, they do tasks. Valuable people always solve problems as we speak. So ask yourself tonight, if we gotta go, if you left your organization tomorrow, what would your employer miss about you? Remember that the goal is not to be busy. The goal is to become valuable. This has been my Hard Truth Case 5003. My name is Abimbola Adewale. Until next week, guys, keep working.